I have a job, and it gives me PTO. Each month, I accrue more and more days off, until one day, I use them all on one big vacation. I treat these PTO days the exact same way I treat credit card points and miles. I use them or I lose them. So I signed up for a new credit card and I'm pretty excited. Now I did talk about getting another credit card in my last episode. That's right, I'm calling them episodes now because this is the Jake Mercury YouTube channel and I like to think of it as a reality credit card YouTube channel. So stay tuned. I take countless hours into the strategy that I come up with, and it works for me. I mean, I might have found the best hotel credit card strategy of 2023, but I'm talking about my best hotel credit card strategy for me. And so I don't want you to waste your time and money getting credit cards that don't make any sense. I sometimes get sucked up into the hype. Plenty of my last credit cards have been based on just hype alone. Generating points off of clicks down below is a game that you guys might not even know is going on right now. And while I don't necessarily condone generating all the points from your guys' clicks, it is something that's happening and you need to be aware of that. And so in this crazy points and miles game, I've decided I'm gonna change my strategy a little bit. And after so many videos of seeing credit cards show up on the credit card market, I got a credit card that I never thought I was gonna get. This is just how fast the credit card points and miles game goes. And I'm telling you right now, I got the Marriott bonvoy boundless. 1 second. I gave up on my dreams of getting the World of Hyatt card, and I really wanted to get it. Maybe I was just thinking about the hype with that card. Everyone wanted it. Everyone has it, it seems. After seeing so many videos of the Marriott bonvoy boundless, in fact, it's my card now, and I got a $20,000 credit limit on it. So what? I don't care. Who cares about credit limit? No, for real though, I think I gave it to the hype. Like, everyone wants this card now all of a sudden. I think there was just some crazy Ritz-Carlton hype that just started out of nowhere. I don't know what is going on in the credit card game right now, but that Marriott bonvoy boundless looks so good that I had to get it. Guys, I'm freaking joining the hype too, I know. But honestly, I want that 5 free night. Hotel credit, this sign-up bonus is something that definitely needs explaining because it's a little difficult and you might not understand right off the bat. Please, I didn't understand right off the bat either. And I am an intermediate credit card strategy YouTuber, whether you think it or not. I have been in the game for 5 to 6 years, and I have some idea of what I'm doing. Might not have all the ideas, but I got a few, so sit tight and watch this. I'm gonna do something crazy. All right, so this Marriott card that we have here, guys, right in front of us, well, I'm gonna give you a full detailed breakdown on how this bonus works. So first, we're gonna get 5 free nights after spending $5,000 in 3 months. You know what that means? That's 3 months of spending $5 grand. Can you do it? If you can, great. If not, you gotta do something else, bro. Don't try to convince yourself you can spend $5,000. I can barely spend $5,000. And since I'm a content creator, I will figure out a way to spend $5,000 because I'm changing my habits just like all the other rules that I tell you not to break. I'm gonna generate points regardless of if I make the video or not, because all these people are gonna click anyway. I can just put you want me to not put my links in the description? I can. I don't care, bro. If you want me to, I won't. I mean, it's up to you. Whatever. Okay, whatever. Here is what 5 free nights means. First, it's not 250,000 points. You might think it is. It is not. I made the mistake of calculating the sign-up bonus originally using this value, and it's not how it works. It is actually 5, come here, wait, listen. 5 free night credits. They're credits. You get 5 of them, and they're worth 50,000 points each. So 5 free credits, 50,000 points each. In Paris, you can stay at the Moxie Hotel. I've stayed at one in Seattle. It's pretty nice, centrally located, clean, not too touristy, and best of all, it's 216,000 points. That's great. I know. 216,000 points sounds like a lot. I know, it's a lot. But your free night credits are gonna cover all of that. It's pretty simple. They can cover up to 50,000 per night. I know it's not exactly 250,000. It doesn't need to be. It's close enough. The cent per point value. We're gonna calculate it. This is a 216 point hotel, AKA about 1,200 euros. 1,232 US dollars total. Let's take our cash price and divide it by our point price. And that way we can find the cent per point value, AKA how many cents each point is worth. 0.057, yeah, I didn't expect it when I was writing the script, to be honest, but I'm reading it now, and honestly, I can fully expect it because Marriott sucks, and that's okay. Don't freak out. Don't freak out yet. But, you know, it's worse than I thought. Maybe we could do a little bit better. I know you want to get as many points and as much value as you can because value. Let's just try another property because honestly, I think we can get a better cent per point value. And you know, we all love cent per point, right? Okay, wait, just really quick. I wanted to say something. This 216,000 point value doesn't mean 216,000 points. So it's not 250,000 points. You're not going to have a leftover 34,000 points if you use this. You're not getting any points. There's no point in this kind of thing. It's credits, right? Five credits, 1 night, 2 night, 3 night, 4 night, 5 night. They're gone. There's no leftovers. So if you use them for something really low, that's on you, dude. We're not going to do that because this is a Jake Mercury YouTube channel and I'm telling you all about credit card strategies, entertainment, and reality TV about credit card. What does that mean? I don't even know. 271,000 points for this stay right here. Wow. That's a lot of points. I know, it's over 250K. Okay, it doesn't matter. You wanna know why? Because we can supplement with more points. What does this mean? We're gonna transfer them or earn them using the Marriott credit card, and that way we're gonna be able to cover the difference. You can supplement 15,000 points per night using other points from somewhere else by just generating them or transferring them. Let me know if I'm correct, but this is what I think. Okay, it's gonna get really freaking complicated. So I found a hotel in the Trocadero area of Paris for 417 US dollars per night. Actually, it's 445 US dollars per night. I said the euro price first. So what are we gonna do with this information? Well, we're gonna calculate. Hang on, I will in a sec calculate the cent per point. Let's keep on going. We'll use our 5 free night credit, $2,340.75 euros total. You know what that is? That's a lot of damage. Dude, this is the worst monitor I've ever had. I just don't even, okay. So yeah, just by Googling the euros to US dollar conversion, we can find how many US dollars this will cost. $24.98 US dollars. That's almost $2,500. Right, like I said, you're still gonna need to come up with 21,000 extra Marriott points. I got a great solution for you. And it doesn't involve transferring them all the way. Just hang on. There are lots of ways to get Marriott Bonvoy Boundless points. Most of them are terrible value. Who wants to transfer points if it's really bad? I'll show you why it's bad. Since I'm curious, let's just see how many points we would generate for 5K of spend. I don't know if you guys ever think about this. When you sign up with the sign up bonus and you spend on the card, you're generating points on the side as well as getting the sign up bonus. So we're gonna get $5,000 worth of spend and I'm gonna show you exactly how to calculate that right now. All right, so we're gonna get 3x on groceries, dining, and gas, and 2x on everything else. And let's say we spend, I don't know, like $800 on gas and groceries. And you know, I'll throw in $200 for you gas guzzlers. I know, gas is like freaking, like, what is it, like $4.80 a gallon right now? It's so crazy. So let's say we just spend the rest on the 2x back categories and I don't know. Let's do some calculation here. So $800 a month times 3x back is $2,400 or 7,200 points. And for the remaining $2,600 of spending on the 2x back, we would earn 5,200 points. Now, that's not too bad. I would use this card for that kind of categories, and I mean, that's for the sign-up bonus only. I wouldn't recommend actually using it for your catch-all and dining. We only have about 12K, and we need 21K, so let's find another way to come up with the rest. Now, who can transfer to Marriott? Because we're gonna need to transfer, but luckily I got my handy-dandy transfer master sheet right here. All right, so Chase and Amex, those are the two transfer partners with Marriott. Yeah, you don't want to really use them for that normally, but we're just going to cover a little bit of extra cost here. Imagine wasting 200,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points for a 0.5 cent per point. You could just get 1 cent per point with Chase and just cash it out. You might as well just do that than transfer them to Marriott. This is only to just, you know, give you a little bump for something else, trying to, like, you know, bump that free night credit for something really cool. I'll show you. Okay, if you guys hurry up right now and subscribe down below, you're gonna get 50% if you transfer with Chase. You wanna know why? Because there's a bonus going on right now, and it bumps the ratio from 1 Chase Ultimate Reward point to 1.5 Marriott Bonvoy Boundless points. So that's pretty good. You'll get extra, and that means we gotta transfer less Chase points. Okay, so since we need 21,000 points and 12,400 are already generated by the spending, that leaves us with 8,600 points left to cover. But since there's a bonus going on right now to the end of this month, we only need to transfer 5,700 Chase points. You do gotta transfer in 6,000 points is how much you have to transfer. 6,000. All right, back to the cent per point for that calculation. 271,000 points is how much that hotel costs. And $2,498.40. That gives you a 0.9 cent per point. Wow. Isn't that pretty good? Like, so good that I'm literally going to book this right now. Hang on, give me a sec. I'm almost done. Bye. Sorry, girlfriend called me. Okay, guys, you know, is this just a little bit of a pain in the ass, or is it just me? I don't want you to get too fixated on points. I mean, let's just get some decent free nights at a hotel and relax on this damn vacation that we're trying to take. I know we're trying to game the system, but these are vacations we're taking. Shouldn't it be kind of chill, you know? Your opportunities with Marriott are boundless. You got to use the Doctor of Credit link to get 5 free nights while it's available. If it's after the bonus or whatever is going on, if you want to get the Marriott card, sure, use my link. I think I'm gonna go to Paris.